So today I'm gonna put these on this. Now I know what you're thinking. Why is he even bother doing something like that? Is he gonna drive it to work? No. You're gonna be driving around cruising in it? No. But is it gonna look different? Yeah. So for some of you car people like me, you're always thinking of how you can change something, create it and make it look different than anybody else's. Well, this is one of those things too. So I gotta give a shout out to California Dreams Hot Rod Shop. They powder coated these wheel simulators, gloss black, and they look like glass. They look perfect. One day turnaround, they hooked them up, and they are excited to see them on here just like me. Now I know what you're thinking. It's a big vehicle. It ain't gonna do much. It ain't gonna take it to a car show, but like I said before, it's something cool, it's something different that maybe you just don't see every day. So these things are wheel simulators. It's kind of like a glorified hubcap. You pop them over the old dually wheels, and it kind of makes it look better than just the old non-plated or non-finished wheels underneath. So they came in like a shiny, like polish, but I thought to myself since day one, I wonder how those would look done up in black. Well, you know, the day has come. We're gonna pop them on. We're gonna see how it looks. Now, I might be aging myself a little bit, but these are pretty much just glorified hubcaps. I know little kids of today, they probably don't know too much about that, but back in the day, you know, you had hubcaps. They used to fall off when your mom or dad would turn the corner and the hubcap would go flying down the road, or your mom or dad would be all angry when they got home because they lost another hubcap or hit a bump and the hubcap flew off. Well, yeah, this is kind of like that. But that's back in the day. Now people nowadays use rims, so you know times have changed. All right, so right now, let's pop these wheel simulators on and check out what they look like. For now, I just popped them on to show you guys what it looked like. Later on, to get the rest of them on, I'll walk around and make sure all the bolts are tightened down, and I also got to put the center caps in. But right now, let's take a little footage and show you what they look like. Alright, so comment down below, let me know what you think about black faded out wheels on a motorhome. I thought it'd be different. I don't know, it looks kind of gangster. Let me know what you think. Like I said before, it's just something different, man. You know, when you're looking at stuff, you're trying to think, how can I change it? How can I do my own thing? How can I do my own style, represent out there? So I think it looks pretty crazy. So comment down below, let me know what you think. Like I said before, man, I'm always trying to fade something else out. This is what we do. If you want to get your stuff powder coated, you want to get your wheels changed up, get them blacked out, let me know. apartment on wheels. All right, thanks for watching this video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the RV with the black wheel covers. Farrah, tell them what they gotta do.
Give this video a big thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button. Turn on notifications. See you all next time. Peace. Stay faded.